Our people wey dey for street don ask one important question to Nigeria. Since you arrest Mazi, you kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, did Nigeria change from bad country to good country? Did the hardship stop? Did all the whole bad thing that happening in Nigeria stop? The question is capital no. This our brother don come outside though, come ask this question. Say Nigeria, the more you hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention, the more Nigeria will go down. Hey, this one don read though. I'm going to play you the video, may you watch, see wetin dey go on oh. However, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring update back to back. My people, I want you to share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot. As it be like this now, you don't hear am say this one no be small thing again. Things they happen for inside Nigeria as they are spending money holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As they do that oh, now so Nigeria they go down small. Everybody they cry, everybody they complain. I want you to watch this video that I'm going to show you. It's very interesting. I see wetin people they talk for inside street concerning wetin they go on for the country. Just watch the video.
Forget the money they're supposed to direct their player, direct their request. They're holding on a gun for no reason. Nobody says about that. Then they have one bag of tray of rice that you can use compare Nnamdi Kanu's finger. Tell me the whole stores, warehouse in Nigeria, food stores in Nigeria that you can use compare Nnamdi Kanu's life. The man that came to betterment of Nigeria, not even only Biafra, he come to betterment including everybody. But both Africans, you want to liberate everybody from bondage of hardship. When those things we get freedom, price will be surplus to you. When you get freedom, bag of cement, we can use leg kick cement. We get freedom. You can get any motor of your choice, not even to enter public transport. That's what freedom bring all about. Then they will build hospital, paint hospital. But inside the hospital, you cannot see paracetamol inside the hospital, government hospital. I'm living witness. Me and my family are living witness. The hospital and the government made inside there, you cannot see paracetamol. Even though you see anyone, you must use your money, buy it, but they take free medical hospital care. When does it done in abroad? When is it done in other countries? Understand? Nigeria is full of camouflage. So those people have to go direct to the point. Hit that point. Yes, leave for footballer, carry hammer, knock him for the head. Then
give us your reaction.
Oh man, the country now, if you are not red, red past red self. Because even our National Assembly self, nothing come out. They only know their own pockets. They have me.
But Igbos comes out rejoicing that no Igbo man should protest because they want people. This is going to come out. Things are going to turn up this way.
Make them ready for the North to do the protest. We will there to watch them. Because we don't suffer well, you hear me? We don't suffer well.
What can we do as citizens to hold this government accountable because they make some promises during the elections? What can we do? People say maybe we protest and military something to take over.
Even the military could take over, it's not going to be possible because they for democracy, you hear me?
Yes.
So right now, I be like this now. I think we know the first time we make people be good, but let people be not things, but they're good for us more. But now, I be Tinubu now, I scatter everywhere.
The president should be impeached because of his incompetence.
Nobody will be impeached now. You know, all of us know. You say when impeached now, nothing come out. So now, they do protest now. They say Moku no do protest. Make them themselves do the protest.
Maybe not announced.
They are many do themselves. Many know I think they be for because who they are, they watch them.
What will be the thing where needs immediate to be addressed now in Nigeria? Attention.
Because for me now, I don't know how we take do a move, but for the first day we Tinubu come out that first subsidy. That's the problem of this country now. Now they go to what they got 2,000. We know where they are now. That's why work they come, no work, nothing. We don't see work, we don't do the work, we the manager says small. So now, the way they come to them now, if you say, well, is they going to impeach the president now? No way, because nobody want to talk. National Assembly, all over rubber stamp. push and start. That is indeed. So now, they got to be now. So anyone want to move and things like that until God will say, God give us the best fit solve our problem. Things like that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, young man, take a good look at me very well. Look at me very well from head to toe. Am I supposed to be in this condition? Why we have everything it takes for everyone to be okay? Look at how I am. Still working mechanics, yet that mechanic work is not coming. Eventually that you see me doing bad thing now, people will be complaining, saying that bring him, kill him, do him that, do him that. But I learned work for 6 years, and that work now cannot put food in my table. Why? Bad government. See, what am I saying? If anybody have solution to this, let the people start doing something, because worst thing is going to start happening. I'm telling you the gospel truth. And if you see any youth or anybody that is doing any bad thing, you shouldn't be doing him anything, because we have everything that it takes to this country to be fine and suit everybody. So what am I saying? Many things will be happening now. Many things will be, even if it have not started happening, things will be happening now. Very bad things will be happening now. So let nobody be surprised or blame anybody. Look at me very well, as healthy as I am. If I stay in a war front, I will do something. So let them do something now. It's not late. It's not too late.
To the federal government. Thank you so much. Bye.
We don't need a father in this country where blood like this to come and rule us instead of a young man. A grandfather. Thank you, my brother. A grandfather. So we need a young man that maybe can do something. But this country belongs to youth. They're supposed to at least a man of 50, 60 years. So my brother, what we're supposed to do in this country, either impeachment of Buhari and Tinubu, if you don't want to change his process. Simple thing, simple, amicably. Other countries are doing that, my brother. Our own is not the first. So that's my own opinion. And again, if you don't want to come out in that seat, my brother, people should remain, those people that are doing the protest, they should remain in protest until one thing happens. And again, in this country, they say we have two different worship, Christian and Muslim. Now, we Christian, because I'm a child of God, I'm a son of Jesus Christ. I want to ask, we Christian, why we Christian are not doing something in unity or in mass, even to fight for something? Was the Muslim, they rule us in this country, and the way they are ruling us, my brother, I not like them. That is a time, a year that I travel to a village to come back again, no money for fuel. They say they increase fuel. The same this Nigeria. Nigeria is a place where somebody can come, give you hope, say things go better, things go better. For how long will things go better, my brother? Instead of that, let's share the country. Because my prophet, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that prophet, that young guy, that man, go bring, they are in prison. Except if they bring that man in this country, ask him, or God, what is the Nigeria can never better. I'm a servant of God. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
The Christian Muslim are ruling. The man did not even show concern to Christian, because in the administration where they killed that Imo State woman, Bridget, where there was some people cut off in here.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As it don't be. For those who are still hoping that if young man take power, things is going to get better, not in Nigeria. No, never. It will never happen. They will never give you the chance to take a power in Nigeria, because Nigeria is their is the company of so many countries. Which, if Nigeria fall today, see this thing that's happening to France. If it happen in Nigeria, the West will come war. Yes, they will not allow it to happen. There will be a very battle. So they are not going to allow it. So the only prayer you can pray today is let everybody find his way back home. If Nigeria have refused to restructure the country, have refused to talk with indigenous people, to sit in the round table, to discuss the future of the country, and they think they can run it for their master, we go nowhere. Capital no, we go nowhere. So my people, I want you to share this video because it dey good man we dey share video so that other people go dey get the information and to dey know wetin dey go on for the countryside. Please share this video and follow this channel. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Drop your own opinion for inside comment section.